Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the issue you're having in Windows 10 that says WerFault.exe application error. The application was unable to start correctly, error code 0xC000005. Click OK to close the application. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to double click on the Display Adapter section and right click on whatever display adapter is listed under here. Select Update Driver. Select where it says Search Automatically for Drivers. If it doesn't find anything here, go ahead and select the back arrow and select Browse My Computer for Drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then if you have a manufacturer specific driver, select it. Otherwise, select a generic driver and then select Next. Once that's done, you can close out of here. Open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with Command Prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by space /scan now. Scan now is all one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Please give us some time to run. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here, and you want to go restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.